Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chili hot dog. First, gather all your ingredients, including your favorite hot dogs, soft buns, and a hearty chili. Next, prepare your chili, whether it's a homemade recipe or a convenient canned option. Then, cook your hot dogs to perfection using your preferred method, like grilling or boiling. Finally, assemble these tasty treats by placing a hot dog in a bun and generously topping it with your flavorful chili. It's a simple process for a satisfying meal. Let's dive into crafting that perfect chili. Begin by browning 1 pound of ground beef or turkey in a large skillet until it's fully cooked. Remember to drain any excess fat for a lighter touch. Then, stir in 1 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a pinch of salt for a rich flavor. Let it simmer for at least 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Now let's get those hot dogs and buns ready. If you're grilling, cook your hot dogs over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning them occasionally for even cooking. For a quicker method, you can boil them for 3 to 5 minutes until they're heated through. Don't forget the buns. Warm them in the microwave for about 15 seconds, or for an extra special touch, lightly toast them with a bit of butter. This adds a lovely texture and flavor to your chili dog. It's time for the grand finale. Assembly. Carefully place 1 perfectly cooked hot dog into each warmed hot dog bun. Next, generously spoon approximately 1/4 cup of your delicious, simmering chili over each hot dog. For an extra burst of flavor and texture, consider offering optional toppings like shredded cheddar cheese, finely diced onions, or even a dollop of mustard. Serve these fantastic chili dogs immediately to enjoy them at their absolute best. Enjoy every savory bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.